cannon with the same instrument. In fact, your ear is so sensitive, it can detect a pressure change in the atmosphere that is so small, it's equivalent to about 30 thousandths of an atmosphere. To give you an idea of what the difference of that is, how many of you realize when you go up in the mountains, your ears pop, or you go up in an airplane, your ears pop because of pressure change, right? The air is a lot thinner up there. In fact, if you go up to about 14,000 feet, you have only half the oxygen available to you. That's why, in fact, we're heading to Bolivia in another month and a half. And La Paz is 14,000 feet. We have some opportunities at 18,000 feet. And that's really high. And you get altitude sickness and all kinds of things because of that lack of oxygen. But I can't find a sheet of paper thin enough to represent what I need to do. But imagine this, if this were a piece of saran wrap, which is many, many times thicker than necessary. The change of altitude, if I were to put that on the floor and step on that super high piece of paper, your ear would be able to tell the difference in altitude. Now, I'm going to have to be careful because this is really high. I get up on this thing, just like that. Oh, the air is thinner up here. Your ear can tell the difference. That's an amazing instrument that we have. In fact, your eardrum only needs to move 1/2 the diameter of a hydrogen atom, and it will pick up a sound. Incredible instrument. But we can't really trust our senses. Now we have hearing, sight, smell, taste, and touch. We only have time to talk about the 5 basic senses. We used to talk a little bit about the 6 and the 7 senses, but nobody's using them anymore. So I don't spend any time talking about horse and common. We'll just do the other 5, okay? And those of you who don't quite catch on that,